Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Alcatel One 2019, for the first we have to go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the network and the connection. Here we have to scroll down and tap on the printing. And right now just tap to the service. And just wait until it finishes loading. And we have to get the plugin from the company of our printer. So in my case, I take the HP print service. Right now just install. Right now we can go back to our settings and open the HP print service. It is looking for our printer and it's going to connect automatically if it finds. Okay, it takes too much time, so we can try to go back and check if the default print service is working. And as you can see, for a few seconds the HP Color LaserJet Pro is available here, but there is some kind of the problem with the connection. Let's go back for the HP print service one more time. Okay, right here we cannot it cannot find our printer, so it's strange a little bit. Let's go back for the default print service and try here one more time. As you can see here, the default print service just easily find our printer, so it connects also automatically. So right now we can go to try to print something. So I'm going for the gallery, I take this picture, and the printing function is right here in the right upper corner. And here we have to select the printer. So of course I'm going for my HP Color LaserJet. And we have to wait until it finishes loading the picture. But it takes too much time, so let's go back and try to open it one more time. Okay, it's still not working, so maybe we can go right here and let's try to tap on the HP print service. Accept, click start. It is processing. Select our printer. And as you can see right now it's working, so we can just simply tap on this icon of the printer to print this picture. And as you can see, there was some kind of the problem, some kind of the bug in the settings. It wasn't working, but right now when we enter straight for the photo and for the HP print service, it is working. So I don't know what happened there, but you have to try all the time. And yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.